This word is a very popular word around the world, who you are. And the whole world is aware about this explanation. Each and every moment as what you're projecting out is that you are. Each and every moment you're projecting out as your emotions, emotional reactions, positive emotions, negative emotions. Each and every moment as what you're projecting out is that you are. Each and every moment you are expressing frustration, fear, angry, jealousy. On your experience, this is what you are. அடக்க நினைத்தால் அலையும், அறிய நினைத்தால் அடங்கும். Until you resist, it exists. This mind is very much on your experience. Just understand and accept it. Once you accepted, then the second question comes. When I will be get liberated from these aspects? When I will get liberated from these aspects? That question will come to you. That is called liberation. Not only the mind identification, you have to come out of the bodily identification also. The highest fear is the fear of death. What is savasana? You are practicing your death. Why this practice is given? Because the highest fear is the fear of death. Once you have liberated from the fear of death, then nothing can threaten you. It's very easy process to come out of the bodily identification. You can come out of the mind identification. You have to come out of the bodily identification because there is a relationship between this body and the mind. Because when something is bothering the body, the mind reacts to it. Only when you practice the death, when you practice the death, then you will never fear for anything. As I was describing, the highest fear is the fear of death. Now I am saying the highest fear is not the fear of death. The highest fear is the fear of losing your identification. Why these people are just going for that suicide, On their experience, at that moment, life is more horrible, death is more beautiful. It's a weaker mind. When the mind is weaker, this is how it takes the conclusion. The highest fear is fear of losing your identification. When you have lost the identification, and then if you can exist here, that is called the death experience. The mind and the beyond mind cannot be in experience at the same time. The very you is being experienced. That is called the self-realization.